Okay.
Emailing them, Subi.
It's not gone now.
They'll be private home videos. Sounds so
I was gonna say
nasty.
private home videos and that's. Am I lighting this?
I have no idea how to use this, to be honest with you. Everyone, is she lighting them correctly?
Oh wait.
Oh shit, Sid.
Oh, no, it's really hot. You know you can write your name on this with these? If the floor was dry. I'll have a party.
He's trying to make a mistake.
I'm going back.
How do you guys work lighters?
Don't be gay!
Like this.
Oh. Hi, Sid.
Hi.
How are you?
Ah, shit.